Hi, this is section 9.5, the fundamental counting principle. For those of you that are tired of drawing those tree diagrams, which I'm sure we all are, we are going to love the fundamental counting principles because it says instead of drawing the tree diagram, is all you have to do is multiply the number of possible outcomes for each event. So let's look at an example. If we were going to find the number of outcomes when you toss a coin and roll a number cube, well, instead of drawing the tree diagram down here like we did before, is all we have to do is say, okay, how many things could happen when you toss a coin? Well, there's two, heads or tails. So you just take the number 2. How many things can happen when you roll a dice? Well, that is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So all you have to do is take 2 times 6 and get 12. So now we know there are 12 possible outcomes, and we don't have to draw these tree diagrams. So let's look at another example. Find the total number of outcomes from rolling a number cube with sides labeled 1 through 6 and choosing a letter from the word numbers. Then find the probability of rolling a 6 and choosing an M. Okay, well, on the number cube, when you roll a dice, there are 6 possible outcomes. There are 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters in the word numbers. 6 times 7 is 42. So now there are 42 possible outcomes. And the probability of rolling a 6 is there's just one 6. And choosing an M, there's just one M. So 1 times 1 is 1. So the probability is 1 out of 42. Looking at example 3, it says find the number of different jeans available at the jean shop. Then find the probability of randomly selecting the size 32-34 slim fit. Is it likely or unlikely that the jeans would be chosen? Okay, so let's see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different waist sizes. 1, 2, 3 different lengths, and 1, 2, 3 different styles. So if we do 5 times 3 times 3, there's 45 different possible kinds of jeans. And the probability of getting a 32-34 slim fit, that is 1, because there's 1 of each of those. So that's 1 out of 45, or about 2%. So it is not very likely that that size would be chosen at random. A box of toy cars contains blue, orange, yellow, red, and black cars. A separate box containing male and female action figures. What is the probability of randomly choosing an orange car and a female action figure? Is it likely or unlikely that this combination is chosen? Well, if you see, there are 5 different colors and 2 different types of action figures. So 5 times 2 is 10. And the probability of choosing the orange car and the female, there's 1 orange car and there's 1 female. So 1 times 1 is 1. So the probability is 1 out of 10, or 10%. Thank you. Good luck on your homework. This one should be a little bit easier and be a little bit quicker.